We were challenged by TCEA to make a toy that was fun, educational, and utilized either motors or LEDs. We decided to use LEDs and take a popular toy pegboard and put our own 3D printing and LED spin on it. The LUM-N-8 comes with one LED plate, one foam board, 8 multicolored pegs that are small, smooth, and safe. Batteries not included.
Whoa, are those LUM-N-8s?
Yeah, they're for stacking, sorting, and fun!
Whoa! I want to learn how to stack! Can I have one?
Hundreds of hours of fun for only $14.99, plus shipping and tax. This toy allows people to develop motor skills, as well as counting, color identification, and hand-eye coordination. The foam board can be placed on an LED plate that when pegs are placed inside of, light up. The board comes with a LED light-up plate that when the peg is placed inside of, light shines through.